Parents, I suggest that you cut this one out and glue it for your kids. If they feel really confident with some of the lines, then you can go ahead and let them help. But otherwise, we need to get all these little bits that are gray, we need to leave those in. So it's a little bit tricky, and we want it to fit really nicely. So thank you for your help. You can even remind your parents, thumb up, elbow down. Do we turn the paper or our scissors? We turn the paper. Okay, ready? Here we go. So we're going to fold on these lines, and we want to make it nice and sharp. You ready? Here we go. Parents, you should probably help with the folding also. Phew, I was being so careful with all those little bits. Parents, thank you so much for your help in doing this. Kids, you could say thank you to your parents. This is going to be so much fun when we get it done. All right, now we need to get glue on these gray parts so that we can fold this up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put glue on all these gray spots here. Kids, you can help with this part. Got my glue stick. Now if you use white glue, it's going to take a little bit longer to dry, but remember, dot, dot, not a lot. I'm holding it up in the air, but if you want to do it on a table, that would be really good. And you could put down a placemat or something so that you won't have to clean the glue off the table. Okay, I have glue on all the gray parts and on my fingers, but that's okay. If I just rub it together like this, it should come off. Right, now I'm going to go ahead and fold this up. The bicycle goes onto the gray part by the ambulance. Parents, it looks like the ambulance and the rocket ship might be a little bit too long on this one, so I'm going to go ahead and cut. It just means that part of the ambulance is going to be cut off. That's okay. And part of the rocket ship fire is going to be cut off. So do your best. That's all I ask. Okay. And the one with the airplane should fit right in. All these spots here. It's like a little puzzle. Oh, I need to cut this just a little bit shorter on this ambulance side for it to fit. Okay. Now it's all together. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry for a minute, and then we'll play our game. Now you need your graph and the cube that you made, the die, and some colored pencils or crayons or anything to fill in these boxes with. Okay, so then we just roll our travel die. What kind of transportation is this? It's a bicycle. So I'm going to find my bicycle down here. And the number one, I'm going to fill in this first square. And I'm going to use this. I could either do a happy face, or I could make a check, or an X, or I could just color it in. I like to color it in. Okay. Do it again. What did I get? I got the mail truck. Let's see, where's the mail truck? There it is. So I'm going to fill in one block here. Oh, an airplane. So I'll do orange for the airplane. There's an airplane. I'm going to fill it in. Okay, we're going to keep going and see which one reaches all the way up to 10 first. I gave you a couple of these graphs, so you could do this more than once if you want, and if you have a copier, you could make a copier at home. the train reached all the way to the top. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's count the train. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we filled up the train one all the way first. Should we count and see how many we have of the other ones? The airplane has 1, 2, 3, 4. That's less than half of that. The mail truck, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So close. It was almost a tie. See, the rocket ship is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It was pretty close too. And the bicycle, we only got 1, 2, 3. That looks like it was the shortest one. We rolled the bicycle the least amount of times. And the ambulance got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh look, the ambulance and the airplane, they both got 4. The ambulance and the airplane tied. What a fun game. Thanks for playing.